Okay, you all watch me do this all the time. We've got our Good Culture cottage cheese. And I do 110 grams. Even though I'm going to be more meat focused this week, I'm still going to keep my yogurt and cottage cheese. And I'm still going to keep my almond milk. I'm not changing my milk to, an animal-based milk. Not that it matters. This is lower carb and lower calorie with the almond milk. So I'm not anti-plant or anything. It's just, just tired of buying the vegetables. So now my Too Good Greek yogurt is 170 grams, is one serving of this. $177, close enough. So, there you go. That's the breakfast that you see me eat every morning. And I'm going to finish them up.